Hey everyone, today we're going to be reviewing the Ozark Trail 2-person tent. It's a 7-foot by 7-foot dome tent. So let's go ahead and put this thing together and see what it looks like. Now this is a pretty nice tent. You can actually fit a queen size air mattress in here. But a warning, if you do that, make sure that you put the hole where you put the air in right here at the door. That way you can just lift up on the end, put in the air, and because you're not going to have any room at that end. It's going to come right up against the door and it's going to go right up against the back. There's going to be about this much space on one side. The air mattress is going to take up most of the tent. Now, if you're doing sleeping bags, you'll have a little bit more room. This tent would also be great for things like lawn concerts and things because it's not very tall. As you can see, obviously you're not going to be standing up in this thing, but you can sit up quite comfortably even if you're sitting on the mattress. As with most tents, this one has the area that you can actually put the electrical cord through here and still keep the tent watertight. So if you are at a tent site that has electricity, you can use that. Or if you have the solar pack, you can actually set your solar up on the outside and bring your wires into the inside of the tent. This tent also comes with a couple of storage areas. There's a little storage area right here for small things like your wallet, your keys, things like that. And then there's also one up here that you can attach, and it's like a little loft, so you can put your cell phone and things up there, as well as a hook for a light right there in the middle.